You search how to buy shares of XP Inc. So this short guide will show the basic steps for XP, a Brazilian fintech and brokerage listed on NASDAQ under the ticker XP. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, which usually requires an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search field and type the ticker XP to locate the stock. Make sure you select the exact listing for XP Inc. on NASDAQ. On the asset page, you'll find basic company details and a price chart to review recent movements. Confirm the company name, ticker XP, and NASDAQ listing to ensure this is the correct stock. Tap Invest or Buy, choose the amount you want to commit, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order will wait to execute when trading reopens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio view. For convenience, the link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same example.